is your second part of the first story which we already learned. I shared that first video with you for the story, and the story name is A Journey. So let us revise within 2 minutes. What we learned in the first part of the story? That this page and the caterpillar became very good friends. And then this caterpillar asked to Page that to share some little knowledge with me which you are having. Page also accepted that request and he shared some knowledge. He gave some information about the sun and about the mountain to the caterpillar. Caterpillar was too happy. So what happened after that I am going to teach you now in the next video, in this video. So listen it carefully. When Page gave all information about the mountain and how rain came down on the earth, he also told Caterpillar that please now just keep quiet, my brother, you talk too much. And now look downside. These children, they are playing with a paper boat. What is mean by paper boat? So this is paper boat in my hand. This mean by paper. We are mostly what small kids are doing, or sometimes youngers also try this thing with in a rainy season. They are making this paper boat with a page and they are just only floating it in water and they are playing with this in a water. So same thing happened. Page said, "Arey, look downside. Some children, they are floating the paper boat in a water. Arey, look at that." Then Caterpillar said, "Oh wow, nice. It looks very nice. But what is boat? Means I don't know what is boat means and which we call boat." Then Page said, "Arey, it sells on a water. It sells on a water. It used to ferry people." Now ferry means what? See here. On a blackboard, I write the meaning of that word. Ferry means carrying people. He said, "Arey, it is carrying people. You know, we learn about different ways of transport. But in water, can we travel by bus? No, of course not. So people, what they are using in a water to go across the water or to cross that way. So they are using boat, and this boat ferrying people. Ferry means carrying people. Sometimes they also carry loads. So this type of thing we call boat. Okay. So Caterpillar, this means he just jumped in a joy and he said, "Okay, now I understand it. What is boat?" And it looks very, very, very nice and very funny and very interesting. So I just only want to go there. I just want to sell in a water. I just want to sell in a boat. Can you please take me there? Please, 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 please. He again made request to Page. And now these two friends become very good friends, right? So Page said, "Okay, I'll take you near the boat, but listen, while jumping in a boat, just be careful because I cannot come with you in that boat. You have to jump. So while doing that thing, just be careful and do it very properly and carefully. I will take you to the boat." And then this page, he took the caterpillar nearer the boat, and then caterpillar jumped into the boat. After when he jumped into the boat, he was so happy because finally he was on that place where he wanted to come. And then this boat, in water, that little waves start to come in the water. So with that, this boat also started to toss in the water. So the caterpillar means this boat tossed. Tossed means what? Means when something is moving from side to side because of something. So that we call toss. Because of the water waves, this boat was tossed in water over the water, and caterpillar was enjoying that thing. Caterpillar said, "Wow, this is so nice that I am moving side to side and I am traveling in water. I am sailing in a boat. Wow, this is so nice. I am taking the ride of the boat." He was so happy. But when Page cautioning it time and again, means when Page understood, "No, after this maybe this will be risky and it good to take the caterpillar again back on my back." So he just only said to the caterpillar, "Now that's it. You just come on my back again." And caterpillar came back on a Page. Now these two friends was drifting in the air with a bead, and these two friends move ahead. They go into the next part of the area. Then they saw a few children are playing in a farm. Page said, "Now look at this. We saw that the children, they are playing with a paper boat. They are selling the boat in the water. are playing in a green farm here. So nice, na? They are playing here, they are talking here, they are sharing their things here, and they are making fun here. So this is so nice. I love to see that. But caterpillar said, I didn't love, I never love it. I don't like them at all. Because you know what happened? When my mama tried to go outside now, when my mother caterpillar tried to go outside from the house, these kids always try to, they chase after her and they try to catch her. Chase means what? That to run. When we are running after someone, that we call chess. Even in house we saw in Tom and Jerry that Tom always chasing the Jerry. So that we call chess. Chess means to run after someone. So he said, no, I don't like them at all. I know that you like them, but I don't like them at all. Because when my mother caterpillar go outside, these kids, these children, they chase her and they try to catch her. That's why I don't like them. And I always, they try to catch my mom. So I don't want to go there. But suddenly what happened? They both were talking and suddenly caterpillar, he just only clung to the page in a fear. He tried to hide himself in a fear. Page asked him, what happened? Why you are get so scared and what happened? Why you are afraid? Means what happened? Why you clung me? So he said, to talk loudly, quick, move from this place, just let go from this place, let go away from this place. See this flock of bird coming toward us. Now, what is meant by flow? In English grammar, we learn that for a group we are using some names and that we call collective nouns. Correct? If we are talking about the players of cricket, so we are saying the team of cricket. We are not saying that there are players of cricket. We are saying team of cricket. So it means for their group we use team word. So as like that, when birds coming together in a group, so that group we call flow. So he said, quick, this nasty bird. Nasty means this bad birds who are very unkind. This nasty bird are coming toward us. Just go, move away from this place. Just please go away. So Page said, why you are calling them nasty bird? He said, you know what happened? That troubled my brother, and in the last month, they just only carried away my brother in their beak. So they are very bad. They are very nasty birds. They are unkind birds, and they are taking us away and they are eating us. And they carried my brother in their beak in last month. So I am afraid of them. Please go away. Then when Page heard this thing, they just only go away from that place and they reach near an apple tree. When they reached near an apple tree, now the caterpillar was happy. If your parents take you in a restaurant, you are feel so happy. If they take you in a movie theater, you are feeling so happy because that place you love very much, right? You like to watch the movie, you like to go for the shopping, you like to eat something which is different, which is we are getting in a restaurant, which is spicy and fast food you like to eat mostly. So for the caterpillar, this apple, this is the favorite thing of caterpillar to eat. He loved to eat apples and he just only jumped on it. And now, every time Page started to give information to the caterpillar, but this time caterpillar started to give information about an apple to the Page. He said, see, this is apple. I loved it very much. And not just only Mia, this is very delicious and this is very sweet and nutritious too. Nutritious means for nutritious. See, here I write the meaning of that word. Substances which help body to grow. Now this nutrients help us body to grow. Means when we want to keep our body fit, we want to stay healthy. Doctor also telling us that eat an apple a day and keep a doctor away. So if we eat an apple every day, this apple gives us many nutrients and this will help us to stay healthy and with a fit body. So that's why he said, this is very delicious and sweet and we love to eat it, not just caterpillar. Okay, human beings also relish apples. Relish means for them also to get pleasure for something. They also like to eat these apples very much. He was eagerly waiting for that apple. He just only go there and he asked that tree. That tree, he mustered with a full of courage. He just took the support of the page and with a full of courage, he took the permission of a tree. He asked tree that can I eat an apple too? Means I will also become strong and very healthy. I want to eat this apple. This is my favorite fruit, and you know that caterpillar loved it so much. So he said that please, can may I eat this apple too? So I will also become very strong and healthy caterpillar. Now tree gave permission to that caterpillar. So Page come closer to the branch of the apple tree, and after that, when Page come closer to an apple tree, caterpillar jumped on that apple tree. He was so happy. Finally, he reached near an apple. He said, "Now my apple is here. I want to eat this apple. This is so delicious. This is so sweet and nutritious too. So I want to eat it." And he was so hungry that he cannot control his hunger, and he started to eat that apple without waiting for anyone. He just started to eat that, and soon it was, he was eating from one side and peeping through the other side of apple. He was eating and he was enjoying. He was playing in that apple. He started to eat from one side and peeping through from the other side. Then after that, after the finishing of this work, Page said, "Let us go now. Chalo. Now you eat an apple. Now your stomach is full with apples. Chalo, let's go now. It's time to go back to the home where we come through. So just sit on my back. So we will fly away." Then Caterpillar climbed. Caterpillar was ready to go back to the home. Caterpillar climbed on the top of the hill, and now he was ready to just jump on a page. But that time, suddenly what happened? That same time, a strong gust started to blow. Again that wind started to blow with a full of speed. And you know that it's very less in a wind. What happened after that? They both were ready. The page go closer to that branch, and Caterpillar was ready to jump on the page. But that strong wind, it can easily drift that page with it. And as you know that because of that strong wind, page started to drift with wind. And then Caterpillar, who was ready to jump on a page, he landed on the other tree. And this page, he landed on another part of that land. So after that, after few minutes, what the page saw there? Page saw, "Arey, this is something strange." That caterpillar, he stretched out, and after that, from the downside of this caterpillar, one thread type of thing which is very thin like a thread, it started to come out from its body, and he just only covered his body. See, trap means cover with something. He just only trapped his body. He just covered his body with this thread, and when he fully covered, he goes to sleep in that for some time. Page was looking at that thing with a full of wonder. He was just looking at the thing. What is going on? What is happening? Then after few days, some days, he was there, and this caterpillar gently covered himself with that thread, and he just only goes to sleep. And this page was there on a bush on the ground. Then this caterpillar, after some days, when this caterpillar was sleeping in that pupa, he just came out from that cocoon, and then now he changed himself completely. Now he changed in a beautiful butterfly. He was very happy. He said, "Wow, how I'm looking so beautiful with my new wings and with the colors which I'm having on my wings." And then he flapping the wings for some time. He just only take around him. He said thanks to the page, and he flew up away. Start his new life. He started his new life with this beautiful wing. He page to flutter. Page also started to flutter and up in the air. And as if the beginning it farewell means he is saying bye, feeding the bear farewell means he is saying bye to him, and now they both went in their way. So this is the story we learn here. What we learn from the story, the most important thing is a journey with a good friend always help you to grow. Here this caterpillar he just spent his valuable time with a page, and page shared some knowledge, Pear gave him a best company, and because of this beautiful journey that this caterpillar had get a chance to just change himself in a butterfly. So a journey with a good person always help you to grow very nicely, and it will help you to just feed your knowledge with the good things. So this we learn in the story, and some new words we learn here. So you just learn that word, and if you not understand any part of the story, you just revise this and again you watch this video. Thank you.